Good morning students. So in the last video we have learnt about the arrays. So what do you mean by index array and what is the multi-dimensional array we have learnt. So two types of array I have explained it. So the remaining one is the associative array. Okay. So what is an associative array? Okay. So you know what is an index array? What is an index array? So array is normally having many types of values which belong to the same data type and they are stored in the same variable name. ஒரே வேரியபிள் நேமில் நிறைய வேல்யூஸ் ஸ்டோர் பண்ணுவோம். அந்த வேல்யூஸ் எல்லாமே ஒரே டேட்டா டைப்ஸாக இருக்கும். சரியா? That one is the array. So in that array when we are having only one variable for many values, how it will be accessed? அதை எப்படி access பண்ணுவோம்? So it is accessed using the index values, is it? So a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, like that will be accessing. So that is the index array. So today we are going to see the associative array. So it is similar to the indexed array. The main thing is the index here in associative array has the string part. Okay. So a of 0, a of 1, that is index array, you know very well. The associative array also has the same principle and the same procedure and the same processes going on. The only difference is instead of in the index array we will be having the index as numeric, isn't it? 0, 1, 2, 3. So the first a of 0 means it has one value. First the index starts with 0, a of 0, a of 1, and these values will be in numbers, that is the values, the index value is numeric. In associative array the index value is string. Okay, that is the only difference. The index value will be having the string value. Okay, so for that purpose only we will be using the associative array. So the index, instead of numeric index we will be having the string index. Okay. So suppose if I am having in a company I want to give the salaries for the workers, those who are working in that company. Okay. So I will be having a unique ID for them, isn't it? So I may be having 1, 2, 3. So for 1 he belongs to this category, for 2 he belongs to this category. Sometimes I will be having the category wise order 1, 2, 3. Okay. So for manager 1, 2, 3, and then the clerk, and then the staffs. Okay, and then the team head, like that I will be having, isn't it? No. So for instead of having numbers, if I am having their names in particular, then it will be very easy for me to access and there will be no any collapse or anything, there will be no any contradiction between them, isn't it? So ஒரு கம்பெனியில் ஒரு சேலரியில் நான் எல்லாருக்கும் சேலரி வந்து நான் கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னா இந்த பர்சனுக்கு இந்த சேலரி, இந்த பர்சனுக்கு இந்த சேலரின்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. நம்ம எப்போதும் ஒரு நம்பர் வச்சுருப்போம். உங்களுக்கு நம்பர் வச்சு கொடுக்குறத விட பர்டிகுலராக அவங்க நேமே நம்ம கொடுக்கலாம் அப்படின்னா இட் வில் பி வெரி ஈஸியர். ஸோ அதே மாதிரி சில பர்பஸ்க்கு ஸோ கான்ட்ரடிக்ஷன் இல்லாமல் கரெக்டாக வரணுங்கிற பர்பஸ்க்கு நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? அசோசியேட்டிவ் அரே யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ கன்சிடர் லைக் திஸ். So dollar salaries, let us have a PHP program. Okay, question mark PHP. So the variable dollar salaries. So in this equal to so variable name is salary. So I am going to create an associative array. So array. So here in bracket. So within the double quotes I am giving a name. Okay, Raj is equal to 25,000. Comma, and next I am giving the another person name Ram, okay, which is equal to 10,000, and then comma, so Rani, so which is equal to 15,000. Okay, so like this in case, okay, I am giving here and then I have closed. Okay, so this is an, what type of array is this? This is an associative array. Instead of now the dollar salaries, okay, salaries is the variable name and array is the keyword. It denotes that I am going to create an array. So here I am having the index as Raj. Okay, instead of numeric index I am having the string index. So for Raj it is 25,000 and for Ram it is 10,000 and for Rani it is 15,000. So now if I want to print the values, how I can print in an associative array? So echo Raj salary is, okay, then you must use the dot symbol I am going to use which array I am going to use? Salaries of Raj. Okay. So now if I want to print another one, echo Rani's salary is dot dollar. Salaries is a variable name or the array name. Okay, so consider this as simple PHP program. So it's a PHP program. Here I have created one with 3 string index, and then now I am going to print. So echo Raj salaries. Where is the Raj salary? Salaries Raj. So the name index has the string index. So Raj salary will be, which is the salary of Raj. So what will be the output for it? So Raj salary is 25,000, and the second one, Rani salary is 15,000. Okay. So if you are having, suppose I am having dollar color, okay, is equal to array of, I am having red and I am having green. Okay. Suppose I am having an array like this. Okay. So if I am printing echo dollar color of 0 and echo dollar color of 1. Okay. Then what will be my output? First one red, second one green. So this is the index array. So first normal we array create பண்ணுவோம். Color ங்கிறது என்னோட array name, array is a keyword. So red and green I have given 2 values. So the color of 0 ல red இருக்கும், color of 1 ல green இருக்கும். So அதனால color of 0 ல red இருக்கும், color of 1 ல green இருக்கும். இன்னனா 2 3 கொடுக்கலாம். color of 2 ல blue இருக்கும். அப்படி கமா கொடுத்துட்டே போறோம். இது index array. ஓகேவா? இந்த 0 1 ங்கிறது நார்மலாவே இன்டெக்ஸ் வந்து 0 ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும். So normally the index starts with 0. So automatically the first value takes the index 0, the second value takes the index 1, and the third value takes the index 2, as it will be going on like that. Okay. So but in associative array you can give the index as per your wish. That is, you can give the string index. So I am giving here my index is Raj, and here my index is Ram, and here the index is Rani. Okay. So instead of while printing echo dollar of 0, I am giving the particular string index. So I want the Raj salary means salaries of Raj. Okay. If I want the Rani salary means Rani salaries dollar salaries. Salaries only, this is the common name for this 3 string index. So Rani, so it will be giving the 15,000. So what will be the output for it? Raj salary is salaries of Raj லைனருக்கு 25,000. அதே Rani salaries ல salaries of Rani. Salaries of Rani லைனருக்கு 15,000. Clear? So this is the concept of associative array. So associative array has the same purpose as the numeric array or the index array. The main difference is it has the string index value as string. Okay. So it will be having the string index. So here I have created, this is the one type of method to create an array. I have given inside the bracket the index value, key value, index value, key value, the index value and key value. Okay. The same thing, there is also another method. There is also another method to create this associative type of array. Let us see that. So you can create associative array in another method also. So consider this program. The same program can be modified in another one. So Raj salary is dot, you should keep this dot symbol here, salaries of Raj. And the next one, Rani salary. So Rani salary is again dollar, the array name is salaries, so Rani. Okay, so the same thing in the last program I have created dollar salaries is equal to within the bracket, and I have used the keyword array. What the keyword I used? I used the keyword array, and then I given in the double quotes. Okay, so dollar salaries is equal to array. So what I gave? Raj is equal to 25,000, comma, Ram is equal to 10,000, comma, Rani is equal to 15,000. Okay, so this is the one way of creating array with the keyword array. Okay, so dollar salaries is equal to array is the keyword, and I have given 3 string index, and I have given the 3 corresponding values for each index. Okay, so the same thing, this is the another method, that is dollar salaries. I have opened a square bracket and I have given within single quotes. Note it down. Here you must be giving, you will be giving double quotes. Okay, so this is the value string index. So inge kudukumbodhu double quotes kulla kuduthu and value kudukanum. Okay va? Inge kudukumbodhu you should not use the double quotes, you should use only the single quotes. Okay, so Raj ku enna kudukuringa 25,000, and then Ram, and then for Rani, okay, equal to 15,000. So idu enna pandringa, array gra or keyword na use pannala. Here I have used the word array keyword, but I have not used here. Instead I have separately given the index value, the key value, the index value, the key value, the index value, and the its corresponding value. Okay, or the key, the value, key, the value, like that. Okay, index ku nera adukulla value, index adukulla value kuduthirken. So inga array gra keyword nama use pannala, but salaries of Raj, salaries of Ram, salaries of Rani, ippdiyum neenga array create pannalam. Okay, இப்படி கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டு print பண்ணும்போது அதே print statement இங்க கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா எப்படி print ஆகும்னா echo Raj salary is dot dot dollar salaries of Rajna, அதே salaries க்கு நேரா ராஜுக்கு நேரா என்ன இருக்கோ அதே output, the same output only you will be getting. Okay, so what will be the output? So Raj salary is 25,000. Again the second one, Rani salary is what? 15,000. Okay, so the output you will be getting the same as that of that, because the when your the two print statements are same. So echo Raj salary dot salaries of Raj, Rani salary dot salaries of Rani. The only thing is when you are creating an array, you can create it with two ways. You can create with the keyword array, otherwise you can create with in this pattern. Okay, so here the each line must be terminated with semicolon. So in the index string index ku இந்த value semicolon, இந்த string index ku இந்த value semicolon கொடுத்து முடிக்கணும். ஆனா இங்க கொடுக்கும்போது என்ன கொடுப்பீங்க, arrayங்கற keyword கொடுத்து bracketல கொடுக்கும்போது ஒவ்வொரு indexக்கும் ஒரு value comma, ஒரு index equal to one value comma. So note it down carefully. If you are creating array in this method, you have to give the keyword array, it must be specified within the double quotes, and each index and its value must be separated by comma. ஒரு இண்டெக்ஸ் ஒரு வேல்யூ கமா, ஒரு இண்டெக்ஸ் ஒரு வேல்யூ ஒரு கமான்னு செப்பரேட் பண்ணணும். அப்புறம் ப்ராக்கெட் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டு தான் செமிகோலன் கொடுப்பீங்க. பட் இன் திஸ் மெத்தட் யூ வில் பி ஹேவிங் த அரே நேம், த பர்டிகுலர் இண்டெக்ஸ் வித்தின் த சிங்கிள் கோட்ஸ் அண்ட் த வேல்யூ, தென் செமிகோலன், அண்ட் தென் த வேல்யூ, the string index, its value, semicolon, the string index, its value, semicolon. Okay, so when you are printing, it will take as such the salaries of Raj, salaries around, the both will be taking the same one. Okay, but when you are creating, you must be very careful which method you are using to create the array. So this is the two types of creating an associative array. So it's very normal as index array. The only difference is it will be in index array you will be having the numeric index, in associative array you will be having the string index. This is the main statement which should be mentioned when you are describing your answer. நீ அசோசியேட்டிவ் அரேன்னு கேட்கும் போது இண்டெக்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம ஸ்ட்ரிங்கில் கொடுப்போங்கிறத மென்ஷன் பண்ண அந்த ஒரு பாயிண்ட் தான் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம். அதை மென்ஷன் பண்ணாமல் நீ வேறு எதுவும் எழுதுனா எந்த பிரயோஜனமும் கிடையாது. ஸோ இண்டெக்ஸ் அரேனா the index value has the numeric index. Associative array na the index value has the string index. Okay, so I think you will be clear with this. So there are three types of arrays: index array, associative array and multidimensional array. In the last video I have said about the index array and multidimensional array. So in this video we have seen about the associative array. So please note it down and be clear with these three types of arrays. Thank you students.